Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix cannot log in to Facebook into Garena Call of Duty mobile app. So how to actually do that? So if you actually have this issue, the first thing that you can actually do is to log out of your account in Call of Duty app. So after you click on logout, it will ask you to confirm that you want to log out. Click on OK. And after that, now you need to open your Facebook app and log out from Facebook app too. After you do that, now try to clear cache of Facebook and uninstall Facebook if you can actually do that. After that, go to Google Play and try to see if there is an update, or you can actually reinstall Facebook again. And also try to see if there is an update for Call of Duty Mobile. So if there is an update for Call of Duty Mobile, try to do that. After that, now try to log into Facebook again with the same account that you want to connect to Call of Duty Mobile. You can try to sign in with Facebook again from here. Also, if you're still having this issue, you can actually click on here to connect to Garena Call of Duty mobile support, and they will surely fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.